When we first started out, our first summer camp, we used almost exclusively the Dash robot. We got to code the robots to go through mazes. We got to program them to bring people stuff. You could program them to talk and all kinds of neat stuff. And so once the summer camp is over, my first step was to find out what other tools can we get. In my research, I found Makey, I found all this stuff, and I found snap circuits. And I bought it and I brought it into class and I said, hey guys, anybody want to play with this? And everybody wanted to, and so they started making these awesome little projects, and I was taking photos and sending it to my boss. I was like, look at the cool stuff they're making. Within a month of those photos, we had, I think, 15 sets of snap circuits in the labs, and now they're a staple of class. They teach circuitry, they teach how energy passes, you get sensors and LED lights and all kinds of really, really neat stuff. And I also found Arduinos, these little microcontrollers, and we got to learn some pretty interesting concepts about circuitry. We got to learn some pretty interesting concepts about how the board itself works and how memory on the board works. That kind of catalyst into the second year summer camp, and we had some really cool Arduino projects, we had some really cool Makey projects, and we also had the Dash and Dot. Now we're taking the thing that they learned previously, applying it to this new toy, MBot. So these are buildable robots, so you get them and they are disassembled and you have to assemble them. We have an ultrasonic sensor. It's actually sending out a sound wave and waiting for it to come back, a lot like echolocation, like a bat might use. We also have this infrared sensor, so if we're doing line following, this infrared sensor will track to see where the light is reflecting and where the light is not reflecting, and then choose its path based on that. So like each and every piece kind of compounds onto it. I think that opens up for the conversation. It encourages learning, in my opinion.